Hello. Hi. Oh, did you? I don't know. The ball. Go lah. What? Okay. Please wait a minute. We will be doing yes. We are doing the jelly challenge. We have only about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 disgusting flavors and there are 9 flavors. What? These are nice ones. The orange one is what? You can use this. Yeah. Orange sherbet. This is orange now. Orange ice cream. Orange flavor of ice cream. Yeah. Sherbet. I mean, yeah. Hey, go. Okay, I'll give you one, okay? I'll give you, this one, a green apple, okay? Say less, 9 minutes. Yeah. Go on with it. Go, man. Okay, now let's 8 and 7, okay. Orange ice cream 那种吗？那是我等一晚给我要这个，还可以尝试一下。喂，close your eyes and do. Okay, ready? Close your eyes. Go. Six. That's it. One. Hey. Two try. Okay, go. Nhớ được thì người. Okay. This one, my turn. Okay. Okay, got it. I got this one. Brown. Nice. It's nice. Don't put on here. Hey, let's go. Nice. What? Tastes like orange. Okay. Okay, your turn again. Alright, let's go. This is the last one. What's the blue one? The blue one, I cannot tell you guys. It's the flavor. Ah. Shut up, mate. Mike, you have to cut. Hey, give mommy. Pass the mommy. bloody UX. Go. Okay. Italy. What's the like pink thing like that? What is it? This one is candy sauce. No, this one candy sauce and bubble gum. This one strawberry fruity. Try. No, close your eyes. Just eat it. It's sweet as full. I'm taking one. I got this. Okay, let's see. This like gum. I should say this one looks more like gum. Okay. Oh, I got the purple one. Yeah! Who wins? Oh, look at the nice and all the win. Yay! Bye. Hey, what's the channel and subscribe it? Yeah. Bye. Bye. Say bye-bye. Bye. Bye. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. See you in my video. I got one video today.